I'm finally in Georgia. I got here rather late last night, I think about 12 AM. I'm in this like private pool. Oh my god, this looks amazing. I got it with a side of bread and pear lemonade. Today I'm finally gonna go out because I've been laying at home for the past few days, and I'm leaving Tbilisi in 2 days to go to Tbilisi. Yep. So I have 2 days left, so I figured I might as well walk around, you know, Tbilisi, and then tomorrow, and then maybe, I don't know, just see the city for a bit before I leave here. I'm gonna bring you guys around, and I've gave up on like any proper travel vlogging. Let's go. I look stupid with this. Is it okay? Should... Yeah, I think it's fine.
On the wrong side of Pasadena, and the grass ain't no shade greener. It's just a little detour from the place we set out for when we left the church last Easter.
Oh, okay, now that I'm in the freaking cable car, I almost got freaking scammed again. So the thing is, when I was like coming out of this cable car, and then like this guy tried to like, he passed me an hour, and then I was like, no, because I know I need to pay and I don't want to pay. So he was like, no, it's free, it's free. And then another guy came and gave me a monkey while he was like taking photos of me. And then after he took back, he was like, oh, photos is not free, you have to pay 40 lari. Insane. And then I'm like, it's okay, I can delete the photos right now. Then he said, no, it's okay, I can give this discount 20 lari. Yeah, so that's my rent. Oh my god, but look at this view. Holy shit, it's like, I'm like freezing. Look at my hand. It's so cool. It's probably the higher altitude. I feel so happy to like finally be out and about, you know. I've been stuck in my Airbnb for the past few days. Oh, face is getting numb. Okay, I'm gonna find my food. It's like 2 PM now, so I do this.
On the right side of Pasadena, what we say is always easy when it's just what we aim.
Try a little bit and then you will taste your red wines. Okay.
꽃 냄새. You can like this and this to the right? Mine is not the like this.
Because, yeah, the cork is very...
This is not good wine. Maybe should I have to change the other one?
Yeah, it's kind of pretty bad.
나는 today vlog.
브이로그?
응, 자기 소개.
나? 날 왜 찍어? 미쳤어?
왜?
날 왜 해?
너
내가 왜 나온 건데?
재밌잖아.
뭐가 재밌어? 나 노잼이야. 노잼 알아?
I know.
개씨 노잼.
I know. I'm at a bar.
찍지 마, 찍지 마.
왜?
그 싱가포르 사람들 제가 뭐 걸어다니는 컨텐츠라는데 그건 잘 모르겠고 그걸 보는 여러분들의 인생에 각이 많죠.
오,
You are the spark when I'm blind in a dark room. I am a shark in this black